Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Adam. I'm doing great, thank you. So happy to be here with you. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm fantastic, Sarah. Really good. Excited for our chat today.
Me too. Our topic today is super special, I think. It's all about family.
Oh, I love that. Family is so important, right?
Absolutely. Before we jump in, a quick reminder to everyone listening, please subscribe to Mr. Adam Channel if you haven't already. Give us a like on this episode if you enjoy it, and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. We love having you here with us. All right, Adam. Should we start talking about our families?
Let's do it! Hey, Adam. It's so nice to finally catch up. How have you been?
Hey, Sarah. I'm good. Just really busy with work, But I'm glad we finally found time to meet. How about you?
I've been okay. Things have been hectic, but my parents visited last week, so that helped me unwind a bit.
Oh, that's nice. How are they doing?
They're great, thanks. They came over for a few days, and we cooked, talked, and just laughed about old times. It reminded me how much I miss home sometimes.
That sounds lovely. I miss my family too. I haven't seen them in months.
Really? Where do they live again?
They're in Manchester. I usually visit them twice a year, but this time work got in the way. I really want to go back soon, though.
Family time is precious. I try to call my parents every weekend. My mom still treats me like a teenager, though.
Mine too. My mom still asks if I'm eating enough vegetables. I'm 30, Sarah.
Classic mom behavior. What about your dad? Are you close?
Yeah, we're pretty close now, but we weren't always. When I was younger, he worked long hours. He was a mechanic, and he'd come home late, exhausted. But as I got older, I realized how much he did for us. Now, we talk more often. He gives great advice, simple but wise.
That's beautiful. My dad's kind of the same. He's quiet, but when he speaks, it's always something meaningful. He used to tell me, "Don't chase perfection, chase progress." It stuck with me.
That's a great line. Parents really shape how we see the world. What about your siblings? You have one brother, right?
Yeah, my younger brother Daniel. He's 4 years younger. Growing up, we fought all the time about toys, TV shows, everything. But now we're super close. He's studying engineering abroad.
That's awesome. You must be proud of him.
I am. He's hardworking, but still goofy. He always makes my parents laugh. What about you? Any siblings?
Yeah, 2. One older sister and one younger brother. My sister, Emily, is a nurse. She's the most responsible person I know. My brother Luke is the total opposite. Adventurous, spontaneous, always traveling.
Sounds like a fun mix. So you're the middle child.
Yep, stuck right in the middle. I used to joke that I had middle child syndrome.
Oh, I've heard about that. Feeling invisible sometimes?
Exactly. When I was little, Emily got praise for being the responsible one, and Luke got attention for being the baby. Meanwhile, I was just there. But I think that made me more independent.
That's a great way to see it. I was the oldest, so I had to be the example. Sometimes that pressure gets heavy, you know?
Totally. Parents always expect the eldest to lead by example. But it sounds like you did a great job.
Thanks. I try. We had a simple childhood, but it was full of love. Every Sunday, we'd have family dinners. Mom would cook her famous lasagna. Dad would tell stories, and Daniel and I would tease each other until she told us to stop.
That sounds so warm. My family had something similar, Friday night pizza. It became a tradition. No matter how busy we were, everyone had to be home for pizza night. We'd talk, laugh, argue, and just be a family.
I love that. It's amazing how food brings families together.
Absolutely. Sometimes when I make pizza now, I still hear my mom's voice saying, "Don't burn the crust, Adam."
I can imagine. Do your parents still live in the same house you grew up in?
Yeah, they do. Small house, big garden. My dad still grows tomatoes every summer. He's obsessed with them.
My mom's the same, but with flowers. She turns our backyard into a mini jungle every spring. I think plants are her therapy.
That's sweet. Family homes carry so many memories. I can still picture our old kitchen table, the one covered in paint from our school art projects.
Oh, that's so nostalgic. I miss that feeling of home sometimes. Even though I love living independently, there's nothing like walking into your parents' house and smelling your favorite meal.
Totally. It's like instant comfort. Home has its own kind of magic.
Exactly. Sometimes when I feel lonely in the city, I look through old photo albums. It reminds me of who I am and where I come from.
That's beautiful, Sarah. Family grounds us. Even when life moves fast, they're the anchor that keeps us steady.
So, tell me, Adam, what's one thing your parents taught you that you still carry with you?
Probably resilience. My dad always said, life doesn't owe you anything. You have to earn it. He wasn't harsh, just realistic. He came from a poor background, so he always wanted us to appreciate what we had.
That's powerful. My parents taught me kindness. My mom always said, be kind even when no one's watching. I think that shaped the way I treat people now.
That explains why you're always so positive.
Thanks. What about your mom? What's she like?
She's incredible, warm, funny, and the heart of the family. She keeps everyone connected. She still calls all of us every Sunday just to check in. Sometimes she talks for an hour straight.
Sounds like my mom. She always finds a reason to call, even if it's just to remind me to wear a jacket.
Classic mom move. You know, the older I get, the more I appreciate her sacrifices. When we were kids, she worked 2 jobs, but still made time for us.
That's amazing. Parents are superheroes in disguise. We don't realize how much they do until we're adults trying to juggle everything ourselves.
Exactly. I used to think being an adult meant freedom. Now I know it means responsibility and bills.
So true. But at least we had great role models. Speaking of family, do you ever think about having one of your own someday?
Yeah, sometimes. I'd love to have a family eventually. Not yet, but someday. I think being a parent would be both terrifying and amazing.
I agree. I want to be a mom one day too, but not until I'm really ready. Raising kids is the biggest responsibility there is.
Definitely. What kind of parent do you think you'd be?
Probably the fun but firm type. I'd want my kids to feel free to express themselves, but also learn respect and empathy. How about you?
I think I'd be patient. Maybe too patient. I'd probably be the kind of dad who tells dad jokes all the time.
I can totally see that. Your kids would roll their eyes, but secretly love it.
Yeah, probably. But more than anything, I'd just want them to feel loved and safe.
That's the most important thing. Love and safety. That's the foundation of a good family.
Exactly. And I think about how my parents gave us that even when life wasn't easy. That's the kind of legacy I want to continue.
That's so beautiful, Adam. You'd be an amazing father someday.
Thanks, Sarah. You'd make an amazing mom too. Creative, kind, and strong.
You're too nice. But honestly, I think family shapes who we become. Our patience, our fears, our values. It's like a mirror reflecting how we were raised.
True. I think that's why family matters so much. Even when we grow apart or move away, they're still part of our story.
Yes, even if you argue or don't talk every day, that bond never disappears. My mom always says, family is not about being perfect, it's about staying connected.
That's a great quote. Families are messy but beautiful. They test your patience, but also fill your heart.
Exactly. And the older I get, the more I realize that family isn't just blood. It's also people who love and support you no matter what.
Like close friends?
Exactly. Like you. You're basically family at this point.
I feel the same. You know, even though we complain about our family sometimes, we'd be lost without them.
Totally. There are roots. Even when life changes, that connection never does.
Well said. I think next time I call my parents, I'll tell them how much I appreciate them.
Do it. I'm sure it'll make their day. I'm planning to send my mom a handwritten letter soon, old school style.
That's such a sweet idea. Maybe I'll steal that one.
Go ahead. You'll earn bonus points with your mom.
Good idea. You know, talking about family like this makes me feel warm inside, like a reminder of what really matters.
Me too. Work, success, money, all that comes and goes. But family? That's forever.
Couldn't agree more. Family is our first love and our longest friendship.
Beautifully said, Adam. So, when are you visiting them next?
Hopefully next month. I'm planning a surprise visit. My mom will probably cry happy tears.
Oh, that's adorable. Please take pictures.
Definitely. And you? Any family plans soon?
I'm visiting my parents for the holidays. Can't wait for my mom's lasagna and my dad's bad jokes.
Sounds perfect. Nothing beats family time during the holidays.
True. It's when everything feels right again, even just for a few days.
You're right. Family makes everything feel like home, no matter where you are.
Exactly. Well, here's to family, near or far, loud or quiet, perfect or imperfect.
To family.
Cheers, Adam.
Cheers, Sarah.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!